Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please join me, and today you will see how to crochet delicate flowers using two colors of yarn. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. You can use two colors. Let's begin the flower. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. Make a chain. Make 6 single crochet into the ring. While making these stitches, I will show you how to remove a long piece of yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet. Make a slip stitch. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. I continue working on my flower. It's gonna be round 2. For this, make a chain. I will not use it. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make single crochet. Then chain of 2. Yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And pull through 2 loops 5. The tall stitch is ready. I am going to work with strings around this tall stitch. It's gonna be boolean block stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the tall stitch, pull up a loop 1. In total it should be 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Well done. I hold all loops with my finger. In this case, I am making them a little bit loosely. Insert the hook into the single crochet and pull up a loop. I am making boolean block stitch, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain and pull it. Here what I have, it's gonna be the middle part of the flower. My cute small petal is ready. Make a chain and pull a little bit. Pull up the working loop. Insert the hook. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into the chain space. Grab the working loop, pull it through. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make single crochet. Then chain of 2. Yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. Let's crochet the second petal. I'm doing this in the same way as I showed you before. In total it should be 6 petals. Once I have done all petals, this is the round 2. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. The middle part of the flower is ready. I continue working on the next round of my flower. At this point, I would like to change color of yarn. It's gonna be white color. To draw a new color of yarn by making a chain, there is 2 chain space. Make single crochet into this chain space. Then chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make single crochet into the same chain space. Continue working into the next chain space. Make single crochet into the next chain space. Then chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And single crochet into the same chain space. Then single crochet into the next chain space. 1. And so on. In total it should be 6 of them. Then I will show you how to complete this round. Let's look at 2 chain spaces. They are 2 chain spaces. Continue working with your own. Once I have done all 6 chain spaces, it was round 3. To complete this round, work with the slip stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My round 3 is ready. Let's crochet round 4. For the next round, make a chain, work into the chain space, make different all stitches. Make single crochet, half double crochet, and 5 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. 2 treble crochet into the same chain space. 1 and 2. Make chain of 3 for the picot on the top on the last treble crochet. I'm making the picot with single crochet. Make chain of 3 for the picot. Insert the hook into 2 loops of that all stitch. Make single crochet and make treble crochet twice into the same chain space. 1 and 2. Make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then half double crochet and single crochet into the same chain space to complete the petal. My first petal is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. I remind you, you can use your favorite color of yarn. In my case, I'm using 2 colors. You can use 1 color or variegated yarn. It also could be very beautiful. In total, it should be 6 petals. I'm done the first one. Work into the next chain space. Make single crochet, half double crochet, 5 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 treble crochet, 1, 2, and picot with single crochet. Chain of 3 for the picot and make a single crochet into 2 loops of the tall stitch. Then 2 treble crochet, 5 double crochet stitches, half double crochet and single crochet. In total it should be 6 of them. I'm about complete round 4. Once I have done the last petal, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, pull a little bit. I have already cut off my white color of yarn, and right now I will join the brown color that I worked before with. Make a chain to join this color. Insert the hook into the same single crochet that I finished work before. Make single crochet. Make a trim for my petals. And let's count 1, 2, 3. Make single crochet into each stitch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I did 9 single crochet. Insert the hook into the picot. Make 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Here is my stitch. I skip this my stitch and continue working with the second stitch. And this is the treble crochet. Make single crochet stitch into each stitch of the previous row. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The trim for the first petal is ready. It is not difficult to make, so you just need to know how to crochet single crochet stitches. I continue working on my trim. Work with next petal. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Then you should keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round. Once I have done the trim for the last petal, let's complete this round. Insert the hook into the single crochet of this round. Make a slip stitch to secure the yarn by making a chain. And as you can see, I have already cut off my yarn. So you should remove all yarns along the stitches on the back side of the flower. You can use sewing needle or crochet hook for this. And also you can add a bead to the center of the flower. I will add a bead. Так, Маша, ну посмотришь там. Let's see my project. Here how it looks when you are done. That's it, my project is ready. You can combine 2 colors of yarn or more, or you can use only 1 color for this flower. This is my own pattern, how to create my flower. For this flower, you just need to know how to crochet different tall stitches and woolen block stitches. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use such flower. See you next time and bye!